thank you for coming in and visiting with us about disability income. And
My pleasure.
please tell me why your firm offers the disability income as part of its benefits package.
First and foremost, it's about taking care of our employees. Now, there is a competitive advantage that we gain by maximizing the types of coverages that we have in our comprehensive benefits package, but primarily it's about doing right by our employees.
Good, good. Now, as far as you've had an employee go out on claim, how did them receiving the disability income impact their family?
Anytime an employee has to go out on a disability claim, it's an extremely unfortunate experience. And the last thing in the world that you want them worrying about are their finances. Their focus and that of their family should be on improving their health to the extent that they can. Having disability coverage allows them the ability to focus on what's important.
And that's getting better.
Absolutely.
And not worrying about their bills and
Correct.
where their next paycheck's going to come from.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Okay. So you mentioned attracting and maintaining personnel and being competitive.
Absolutely. There's no denying that there is a secondary benefit to having an attractive benefits package, and comprehensively we have an attractive benefits package. You're wanting to attract the best and the brightest, and one way to do that is differentiate yourself from other employers in the market that you're in. I think we've done that. But if you ask me what's truly driving your desire to do that, it is throughout our firm this feeling that we have that we need to take care of our own. And so that is the primary reason. But there's still no denying that there's that secondary benefit of being able to differentiate yourself in your market and have potential employees understand that your firm does it the right way.
Nice. I do know that with any type of sickness, disability, that most people don't realize that there's going to be a lot of additional costs that they weren't prepared for.
No doubt. And that's why it's an unfortunate experience if an employee has to go out on a disability claim for lots of reasons, primarily their health. They're having a problem with their health. But it's one of those things, it's like a lot of forms of insurance. You never worry about it until you need it. And as a result, it's a very hard road to learning the lessons. You almost have to go through it, unfortunately, to learn the lessons. But one of the things you figure out very quickly is the things you take for granted. Being able to earn a living and having a constant flow of income. And when that's removed, you have, I think, a base immediate fear of how am I going to provide for my family. And certainly in the unfortunate instance that we went through, I saw that firsthand. Having that coverage, and again, we discussed the fact that we have a COBRA subsidy rider. Thank goodness that we do. It's meant to cover the individual in terms of their health care premiums from the time that they go out on disability until Medicare kicks in. And again, what does that do? It removes a concern that you don't want them to be concerned about at that point in time. You want them focused on their recovery and their treatment, the ability to spend time with their family, and by having that coverage, they worry about what's important.
Good. Thank you for sharing.
Absolutely.
And for being here today on your birthday.
My pleasure.
We should sing happy birthday to you.
Please don't.